Mastering Basic Photo Editing with Free Tools, a beginner and senior-friendly guide. Welcome to our basic photo editing tutorial, where we'll explore how to enhance your photos easily using Canva, a free and user-friendly tool. First, let's start by creating a Canva account. It's a simple process that requires just an email address. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard. Click on the Sign Up button in the middle of the screen or in the top right corner and follow the simple instructions to create a free account. Today, we're focusing on adjusting the basics: brightness, contrast, and saturation. These are the building blocks of photo editing, making your images pop. Navigate to the photo editor in Canva. This is under Design Spotlight on the top navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option to upload your photo. Choose one from your collection that you'd like to enhance. Once your photo is uploaded, find the Adjust tab. This is where the magic happens. Let's begin with brightness. Sliding it to the right brightens your image, while sliding left darkens it. Next, let's tweak the contrast. Increasing contrast makes the darks darker and the lights lighter, adding depth to your photo. Adjust slowly to find the perfect balance. Saturation is our next tool. Enhancing saturation makes the colors more vivid, while reducing it will give your photo a more muted tone. It's great for making colors pop. After you've made your adjustments, Canva allows you to compare the edited photo with the original. This feature helps you see the improvements you've made. Lastly, when you're satisfied with your edits, simply save your work. Canva offers options to download in different formats. Now, you've mastered the basics of photo editing with Canva.